Wow, do you like it? How about our t-shirt?
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna make t-shirt, Jess and Tory t-shirt. Adum kan team in dona jonin. Hey alphabet niya kan siam don mo kan law clear hawang intingi kan siam dan. Kanu in siam dona kalau enanga in video te kalau langa. Let's check it out, okay? How she's gonna do it. We're gonna check it out because we're going to make Jess and Tory t-shirt. And we're gonna use black and then we're gonna use silver color of wording. So let's check it out, okay? You guys ready? Oh, ooh. Wow, this for daddy. Kapata tour, no kapasha tour. Here's Nana.
Alright, so we're gonna do Jess
And Tory. If you don't have that sign of N, we can use like N.
Okay, that.
Yeah.
They have this. It's an E.
Ah, they have. Okay, that's cool.
But, let's see. So, J. No, these are those.
Mom, it's smoking here. Look.
Yeah, it's fine.
Should be like that. Okay. I'm just worried. Like, what happened? Wow, what happened? Jess and Tory t-shirt and Siam Dona. We may sell one day Jess and Tory shirt, right, Mom? Jess and Tory. Okay. There we go. J. E.
These.
Oh, they have like B, B, or J, E. J, E. Double S. We need double S. S. Okay. S. There is one more S here. Jess. Wow, beautiful. Then maybe we put N here and then Tory.
You want the N or that E?
But if you have the E, it's nice. Yeah. Is it E or it's N? It's like N.
They usually use this. And
And Tory. Okay. T. We need T, right? Oh, I love it. It's very beautiful. D. We need O. R. We need R. R. Y. We need Y now. Let me look for Y. You found Y? Okay. Tory, Jason Tory. Oh, wow, it's beautiful. Oh, Jason Tory. Okay. Oops. Cameraman, ako nga voin today. I'm a cameraman. Jess and Tory. Hey, kapa shirt to na, Mom. This for putter. Right? This for putter.
okay, so is that okay?
Yeah, it's perfect, Mom.
Or do you want it different?
No, it's nice.
Okay.
And then what we're gonna do now? Jess.
I think I need
Jess
to
and
do it a little
Tory.
different, like there.
Leaning like far away.
Well, not far away, but just so that it all kind of, and then put that up there. No.
No, I think I like the way you put before.
Yep.
They're not like so far away from each other. Jason Tory. Yeah, look at the camera here.
Yep, that looks
It's
good.
perfect. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Wow. What's that?
I don't know. It'll brush off. It's just a, probably from the water.
Wow. You still have a sparkle. Wow, Mom. I'm like, am I going to run? Okay. Perfect, Mom. Let's see. Let's check it out. Any love? We're gonna make Jess and Tory shirt. Let's see how it looks. Wow, Ma. I love it. Woo! We got our first shirt done. Shirt ka lang tiyan. Now mine. My turn. Okay. You want me to open new one, maybe? In case we don't
Yeah,
find
go
some
ahead.
alphabet.
Yep, we all need it. And then
There was N I saw somewhere.
the E.
Yeah.
We want to do the E.
I saw it from the old one.
No, there was
Oh,
only
here's-
one. Hey,
Oh,
babe.
there is here in the bottom
Yeah.
too, you see.
Your thing's going off. Babe.
Sorry. There's R here. Do you need T?
Where's it
I
at?
got a T. I don't know.
Can I put it
Right
on
there.
the kitchen table?
Yeah. Right there.
Mom, there is O here and R here. O and R. Making our own t-shirt. Why? You found why?
Yep.
Where's the seat?
You approve?
Sorry, yeah. I approve, Mom.
If I can do, let's do it symmetrical because you guys has got the same amount of letters.
Are you pie? Okay.
Perfect. I can't wait to wear them. They're so beautiful. like before I was the one who take mom, so I was never on. Right, mom?
Right.
Like we can put P each. Jess and Tory P. Hey, can Siam make any can do Siam in law? Mom making Jess and Tory t-shirt. So if you guys want Jess and Tory t-shirt, let us know so that we can sell to you guys when we come back to India. Right, mom? We will sell it for how much?
$10.
Oh, I thought I'm burning because of the heat.
Back up. I got
Back up. Back up. Okay. Here we're making for Zawa. I think there's one more, right? There we go. Woo! Jess and Tory.
They fit good.
Let me see, Lazarus.
Looks awesome.
Oh my god, baby. Wow, do you like it? How about our t-shirt? No, you don't like it?
It feels good.
Hey.
Bye. Get ready to see new shirt. Hey, Jason Tory, it's gonna too short. Come on. We just finished making Jason Tory shirt here. Look. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Okay.
Can you ride?